Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Ford Explorer. 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor utility, power, performance, and reliability. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor utility, the ultimate mix of power, reliability, and style. Under the hood, a 3.7 LV6 engine delivers 304 horsepower and 279 lb-ft of torque, giving you the muscle to handle any road. This Oxford white SUV with black cloth interior offers comfort and durability, plus factory features like cruise control, AC, and power windows. With fewer than 90k miles, under 9k per year, it's been driven responsibly and is in excellent condition. Fuel efficiency clocks in at 16 mpg city/23 highway, keeping costs low while performance stays high. Best of all, it comes with a clean Carfax, so you know it's been well cared for. Whether you need a dependable daily driver or a tough utility vehicle, this Explorer is ready to protect and serve for miles to come. Key features include speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.